हेलो गाइस, वेलकम इन माय शो पॉपुलर एकेडमी बायोलॉजी। आज हम इवोल्यूशन के टॉपिक में डिस्कस करेंगे टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इवोल्यूशन। वन इज माइक्रो इवोल्यूशन एंड सेकंड इज मैक्रो इवोल्यूशन। वी यूज टू डिफरेंट टर्म ड्यूरिंग द स्टडी ऑफ इवोल्यूशन। वन इज माइक्रो इवोल्यूशन एंड सेकंड वन इज मैक्रो इवोल्यूशन। तो व्हाट इज द टू different type of evolution? To study the evolution, first of all, we clear the concept that in any population, for example, there are two genes, two allele A and B. Suppose this is a plant or animal population. If the frequency of A and B gene or allele is constant generation over generation, second generation में भी A और B के उतने ही allele जा रहे हैं जितने हैं, तो that is static population. It means this population do not show any type of evolution. But if the frequency of allele changes, frequency of allele changes means A either decrease or in other case B decrease, then the frequency change, and change in frequency in any population mainly shows evolution. ठीक है ना? Change in any population, change in the frequency of allele in any population mainly shows evolution. And if this change in frequency is very small, it is known as microevolution. And if the change in frequency is very large, this is known as macroevolution. So we study two different aspects of evolution. First of all, we will study microevolution. As clear, microevolution is small scale change in gene frequency. It is a small scale change in allele frequency or gene frequencies and in any type of population. It mainly require only few generations. Microevolution में कुछ generations की requirement है. This microevolution occur within the species or within the population. एक particular species कोई microbe की है, किसी plant की है, उसके कुछ जीन कुछ करेक्टर चेंज होके जो नई वेराइटी बनेगी, दैट इज माइक्रो इवोल्यूशन। इसका एग्जांपल बेस्ट है बैक्टीरियल रेजिस्टेंस टू एंटीबायोटिक। अभी उस एग्जांपल को हम लोग एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। इन माइक्रो इवोल्यूशन देयर इज स्मॉल इवोल्यूशनरी चेंज। इन माइक्रो इवोल्यूशन देयर इज स्मॉल इवोल्यूशनरी चेंज। दिस टाइप ऑफ इवोल्यूशन इज ऑब्जर्वेबल इन नेचर। ऐसे इवोल्यूशन को नेचर में ऑब्जर्व किया जा सकता है। दिस टाइप ऑफ इवोल्यूशन हैज मेनी एक्सपेरिमेंटल एविडेंस and this evolution has less controversy among the scientists. And the example of microevolution is bacterial resistance to antibiotic. For example, any particular type of bacteria which cause infection in lungs has population A, and we use a particular antibiotic to kill these bacterial population in the lungs. But after certain time, the few members in a population shows resistance towards this antibiotic. This resistance in the bacteria mainly develop due to change in their gene. Thus, the changing bacteria represented as A dot. This antibiotic mainly kill normal A bacteria, and the surviving bacteria which are resistant to antibiotic are represented as A dot, which remain survive, and they make a new population after some generations. So this type of example are common example of microevolution. Now we will consider another evolution known as macroevolution, MACRO. This macroevolution is large scale change in gene frequency. When the gene frequency change place in large scale, it is known as macroevolution. This macroevolution generally require larger time period. This macroevolution require more time. This macroevolution is at or above the level of species. This macroevolution is mainly responsible for formation of different type of species of plant and animal in nature. It is extended macroevolution. It is not directly observed by anyone in nature. This macroevolution is not experimentally evidenced in the lab, but it is only evidenced by fossil record. Fossil record in the earth mainly shows evidence of macroevolution in nature. This type of evolution shows more controversy among the scientists, and a common example of macroevolution is origin of bird or mammal by the reptile. Reptile after long evolutionary change into bird or mammal. Many other example of macroevolution are present in nature, like how the angiosperm originated from gymnosperm or fern is another example of macroevolution in which one particular group of plant or animal change into another group is represented as macroevolution. तो आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने देखा कि अगर एक एलील या जीन की फ्रीक्वेंसी में स्मॉल चेंज होगा तो माइक्रोएवोल्यूशन है, ज्यादा चेंज होगा तो मैक्रोएवोल्यूशन होगा. दिस टाइप ऑफ माइक्रोएवोल्यूशन इज एक्सपेरिमेंटली एविडेंस इन लैब and macroevolution is mainly proved by fossil evidence in nature. मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें. माइक्रो और मैक्रोएवोल्यूशन को थैंक यू.